Hello friends, in this video I will show you the full presentation of Borda June 2024 magazine with the technical drawings of each model. In this issue, my charming collection of wonderful summer models for spring and summer in this season, Borda focused on the selection of the distinctive colors green, mint, pink and purple colors that immediately evoke the thoughts of summer vacations as well as the old details of the models of 60s and 70s. We have come to the models with warm colors that add shine to these designs. The colors inspired by the wonderful Indian spices in the fresh air in the morning and even the charming evenings. In this issue, we also find casual summer outfits for men. So find a collection of Scandinavian style models with clean, calm colors and cotton and linen fabrics. Models, dresses, blouses, skirts, shorts and swimwear. The holiday is not complete without these simple things. If you are a sewing enthusiast, you will find fun in the executions and costumes. Finally, the model of the short dress is unique and has huge lines. Watch the presentation and wait for your opinion in the comments.